Hey everyone, this is Nick here from Upfirst. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically send leads to Clio Grow every time a call ends with an AI receptionist from Upfirst. That means when your receptionist takes a call, the caller's name, phone, email, and a summary of the conversation land right in your Clio Grow inbox without you needing to manually enter it yourselves. If you're not the DIY type, no worries. You can reach out to us and we can do this for you. Part of what makes Upfirst different is we have a team that can jump on a call and set this up for you, along with any other more advanced Clio integrations that you may need. If you are the DIY type, then you could just keep following along with this video. If you want us to set this up for you, I'll plug in the link to book a demo down below in the description. Are you ready to set this up? Let's jump right in. Okay, so two things before we start. First, you'll need access to your Upfirst account where you can create custom actions. Second, and this is the most important one, you need your Clio Grow inbox lead token. Quick note here, this is Clio Grow, not Clio Manage. They're two separate products. If you set up a Clio Manage integration before that used OAuth, this does not. Grow uses a simple token instead, and there's no developer portal or OAuth app involved. It's much simpler than that. Okay, so let's grab that token first. Head over to Clio Grow and go to Settings. In Settings, we'll scroll down and go to Integrations. You'll see your inbox sources here. Each source has its own token, sometimes labeled the lead capture token. Copy that token and we'll keep it handy. We'll paste it into Upfirst in just a minute. So now that we have the lead capture token handy, we'll head on back over into Upfirst. We'll click on Agent and we'll head on down to Custom Actions. On the next page, click Add Custom Action. For the trigger, we're going to want to fire when the call ends so that the AI receptionist has the full conversation, all the lead details, and the summary ready to send. We'll give it a title, something like Send Leads to Clio Grow. So then we'll click Next, and then on to the next page, we'll scroll down. So here's the configuration. Under Method, we're going to want to select Post. In Endpoint URL, we will copy and paste this link, grow.clio.com/inbox_leads. I'll leave this link down below in the description for you to copy and paste. And that's it for the authentication. There's no authorization header here. The lead capture token will go inside the request body, which we will do in just 1 second. So this is the part that matters the most. Down here, if we scroll down to request body, is where we tell your receptionist what information it gathers and sends to Clio Grow. I'll paste the JSON body in here, and I'll also paste this down below in the description so that you can copy and paste this for yourselves. Here is what that looks like. Okay, let me walk through a few things. The Upfirst variables in double curly braces, like call field's first name, call field's last name, call field's email address. Those get filled in automatically by your receptionist when the call ends. Also, here's a few gotchas to call out. One, Clio Grow wants a first and last name separately, but Upfirst gives you the full name as one variable automatically. So if it's important to you to capture both first and last names separately, like call field's first name, call field's last name, like it's presented here, then what we'll do is head over to Settings on the left-hand side, and we'll go to Custom Fields. Then click on Call Fields, and then Add Field. Give the field name first name, and give it a brief description like the caller's first name. And then we'll hit Add Field. Next, click on Add Field again and do the same for last name. Doing this will generate custom variables which you can use to populate the first and last name in the request body. Here's the second gotcha. You're going to want to paste your actual token where it says inbox lead token right here. This is a static value, it never changes. so type it in directly. Do not use a variable here with these bracket symbols. And then thirdly, watch for commas. Make sure there's no trailing comma after the last field, or the JSON breaks and Grow rejects the request completely. And then the from source, feel free to put this as Upfirst, so these leads are easy to spot in your Clio Grow inbox, and you can recognize that it came from Upfirst. Before you go live, it's important to test it out to make sure that it will work properly and that the fields will send to Clio Grow. So we'll test it out by entering in the sample variables on the next page. We'll look for the sample variable areas, call field's first name, call field's last name. We'll make sure that caller ID is filled out. I cannot find it. There we go. Call field's email address, call summary as well. We'll just do test summary as the sample. I believe that is it. So now let's run a test. And it looks like it was successful. If you leave any of these fields filled out, it'll let you know, and you'll see it in the error. You would just need to go back up and refill it out and then run a test again. But looks like it's working. We'll save this action. If you get a 401 error, that's almost always the token. Double check that you copied it from your settings, integrations in Clio Grow, and pasted it into the requested body in the appropriate area. If you want to isolate a problem, strip the body down and hardcode test values instead of variables to confirm the token works on its own, then add your variables back in. So once your test succeeds, let's pop back over into Clio Grow and check our leads inbox to make sure that it's successfully going through. So let's go over to Clio Grow, let's go to leads, and boom, looks like the lead has passed through successfully. And that's it. Your Upfirst AI receptionist is now feeding leads straight into Clio Grow. Names, numbers, full call summary, all hands-free. If this has helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Upfirst tutorials. If you need help troubleshooting afterwards this video, feel free to reach out to support. You can find our support over here in the bottom right where this question mark bubble is. Hit messages, shoot us a message, and somebody will get back to you. Thanks again for watching. We will see you in the next video.